You're running late when your blender leaves lumpy chunks again. I researched 30 blenders for protein shakes and filtered the ones that actually blend smooth in one pass. What I found about real-world motor power will save you from blenders for protein shakes that quit mid-blend. Let's dive in. Starting off at number 5, and this one sets a solid tone for the list. The Ninja Nutri-Blender Plus at 900 watts. What stands out is how well this fits a real daily routine. The push-to-blend mechanic is simple, but genuinely smart. No twisting, no locking. Put the cup on the base, press down, it runs. That sounds minor, until you're half asleep before a morning workout and every extra step feels like a problem. That friction is exactly what kills consistency. 900 peak watts is real power for a personal blender. The Pro Extractor blades handle frozen fruit and crush ice cleanly. People who've been running this multiple times a week for 6+ months confirm it comes out smooth. No lumps. That matters. Once you're adding anything beyond powder and water. And here's the detail I actually appreciate. The Auto IQ programs. One press, automatic start and stop. Step away and come back to a finished shake. There's something genuinely useful about removing the timing guesswork when you're rushing out the door. Where it gets honest, this blender is loud. Not unusual for the category, but worth knowing if you share space with light sleepers. The pour lids also aren't the most secure. They sit on rather than lock down. Fine for drinking right away, but not reliable inside a gym bag without a second check. There's one reported case worth flagging. The push mechanism wearing out after heavy daily use, eventually becoming unresponsive. Isolated, but relevant if twice daily blending is the plan. Fill it, blend it, twist on a lid, and you're out the door. That's the whole pitch. Protein powder, frozen fruit, some liquid, done in under a minute, and everything is dishwasher safe. So cleanup takes seconds. For a reliable daily shake routine without a lot of setup, this is a strong way to open the list. The link is in the description. Number 4 is the Hamilton Beach 600-watt portable blender. And honestly, it earns its spot by doing one thing really well. There's a clear problem this solves. You want a protein shake before work. You don't want to deal with a full-size blender, 2 separate containers, and a sink full of parts. You want to add your stuff, blend it, and walk out the door with the same cup. That's exactly what this is built for. The no-drip lid is the detail that makes or breaks this concept. A travel cup that leaks in your gym bag is pointless. Hamilton Beach built the seal so the jar pulls double duty as a go cup without any fuss. 600 watts with stainless steel blades handles ice and frozen fruit without much trouble. That's not just a number. It's enough torque to break down frozen banana, ice cubes, and a full scoop of protein powder in one pass. No lumps, no chunky bits at the bottom, and there are high and low speed settings plus pulse, so you have more control than you'd expect at this level. That matters when you're working with something thicker than usual. And here's something that doesn't get mentioned enough: the 3-year warranty. For a personal blender in this category, that's longer than most. Hamilton Beach doesn't usually back something that long unless they're confident in how it holds up. The honest catch is the cord. This is corded. You still need an outlet. If you want to blend at the gym or in your car, this isn't the one for that. For kitchen counter to gym bag to work, it's a clean setup. But don't buy this expecting wireless freedom. 20 ounces fits most single-serve shakes. If your post-workout routine runs bigger, worth knowing before you commit. As a grab-and-go setup for morning shakes, this is a solid, no-drama pick from a brand with a long track record. The link is in the description. Number 3 on the list is the Nutribullet Personal Blender, and this one has a clear identity. It's not trying to be everything. It's built around one idea: make your shake, drink it from the same cup, and get on with your day. That cup-to-go design isn't just a convenience feature. For protein shakes specifically, it means zero transfer, zero extra cleanup, zero extra steps between the gym bag and the door. Blend in it, swap the blade for the lid, and you're out. There's something genuinely smart about how simple that workflow is. 6 blades and 600 watts doesn't sound like headline-grabbing territory, but in practice, it handles ice and frozen fruit without leaving chunks. Multiple people running this daily confirm it blends everything in under a minute, smooth and consistent. One owner is on their second unit. The first lasted almost 4 years of daily use. That kind of durability track record means something. And the noise level is worth mentioning. It runs quieter than you'd expect for a machine that actually crushes ice. Now, the one thing worth flagging, the 24-ounce cup is on the smaller side. If your post-workout shake is a serious 2-scoop situation with frozen banana, Greek yogurt, and a full cup of liquid, you'll be right at the limit. This isn't the pick if you need volume. 600 watts does have a ceiling too. For occasional ice and frozen fruit, it holds up well. But if you're throwing in dense ingredients every single day, higher wattage options options will hold up better over time. But here's the honest red. For most people making a straightforward morning protein shake, this does the job cleanly and reliably. The brand has real longevity behind it. Cleanup takes under a minute, and the whole operation is about as frictionless as a blender gets. The link is in the description. At number 2, we've got the Ninja Fit. And if no-nonsense simplicity is what you're after, this might be the most practical option on the list. There's no twist-to-lock mechanic here. You put the cup on the base, push down, and it blends. That's the entire operation. For anyone doing this half asleep before the gym, that matters more than you'd think. And the push-to-blend design gives you real control over texture. Short pulses for something thicker. Hold it down longer to get it smooth. It's manual, in the best possible way. 700 watts is the honest tension with this one. It's not the highest motor on this list, and if you're loading it with dense frozen chunks or a lot of ice, you might feel it working harder. But for a typical protein shake, powder, a frozen banana, some spinach, liquid, it handles it cleanly and quickly. The blades are notably sharp, which compensates for the wattage more than you'd expect. People who've been using it for 6 months confirm it stays consistent and doesn't bog down. What I find genuinely smart is the 2-cup setup. Both 16-ounce cups work as travel bottles with the spout lids attached. You blend right in the cup, cap it, and walk out the door. No pouring, no extra containers. Cleanup is just a rinse or a quick run through the dishwasher. All parts are BPA-free and dishwasher safe. The durability track record is worth mentioning. Someone used theirs almost daily for 2.5 years, and it's still going strong. That's the kind of reliability that justifies buying from a real brand over something cheaper. One caveat, the spout lids don't lock down super securely. They're fine tossed in a bag, but shake them around and you'll want to be a bit careful. It's not a deal breaker, just worth knowing. For daily shakes, a compact footprint, and genuine ease of use, boy, this is a really strong pick at number 2. You'll find the link in the description. Before we reveal our number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the freshest deals on each of these items. And at number 1, this is the pick I'd actually recommend to most people watching this video, the Nutribullet 600W Combo Blender. Here's why it earns the top spot. It gives you 2 blenders in one, a 48-ounce pitcher for when you need more volume, and a personal cup with a to-go lid for your everyday post-workout shake. 1 motor base, 1 set of blades, 2 completely different use cases covered for a protein shake routine specifically. That personal cup is the whole point. You blend, twist on the lid, and walk out the door. No transferring liquid, no extra containers to clean. The blade screws directly onto the cup itself, which is the same design that built Nutribullet's reputation, and it still just works. Now, 600 watts. For Nutribullet, that's meaningful. Their older single-serve models ran considerably lower, and that's exactly where complaints about underpowered motors came from. This version handles frozen berries and ice without bogging down. If you're blending a frozen banana with a scoop of protein powder, which is the real test for this category, it gets through it cleanly. And the crossblade works on both the pitcher and the personal cup, so you're not managing 2 different blade systems. There's something they don't usually lead with. The pitcher lid has a removable cap that doubles as a 2-ounce measuring cup. Small detail, but for anyone tracking liquid ratios in a daily shake, it's genuinely useful. Cleaning is about as easy as it gets. Twist off the blade, rinse with soap and water, drop the cup in the top rack. People who use this daily confirm the routine stays fast, which matters when you're doing this before work. The honest limitation is the wattage ceiling. 600 watts is strong for this price range, but if you're regularly running large batches of thick, heavily frozen blends in the full pitcher, a commercial-grade machine will have more headroom. For single-serve protein shakes and everyday smoothies, it's more than enough. For the value, the versatility, and a cleanup process that doesn't punish you for blending every single day, this earns the top spot. The link is in the description. Now you know how to separate the ones that actually deliver from the ones that just look good on paper. If budget is the only priority, number 4 does the job without drama. For most people running a daily shake routine, number 1 is the call. Best value, most versatile, easiest workflow. And if you're loading frozen fruit and ice every single day and want real power headroom, number 5. Prices shift fast, so check the current deals through the links in the description.